Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board has announced that it has become the first water utility in India to receive the ISO 5001-2018 certification for energy management systems. The certification issued on April 14 by Bureau Veritas recognizes the board's efficient energy management practices, particularly in operating bulk water supply pumping stations. These facilities are located at Tikehalli, Hurahalli and Tatagoni. Officials said the certification also covers key support operations at the head office in Kaveri Bhavan and the board's continuous water supply services across Greater Bengaluru. The development was formally presented on April 17th when BWSSB Chairman Ram Prasad Manohar and senior officials met Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister T.K. Shivkumar and handed over the certificate. The Deputy Chief Minister described the achievement as a significant step towards building sustainable and world-class water infrastructure in Bengaluru, adding that it strengthens efforts to ensure a reliable water supply to millions and supports the vision of a climate-resilient city. This comes a year after BWSSB became the first water board in India to receive certification from the Bureau of Indian Standards for its piped drinking water supply management system.